Hi, it's Ms. Todoric from the Cool Classroom. We're going to update our spreadsheet. So this past week we did $19.75. Perfect. So December, on Monday, I added a small bag of runs, and then some other notes. I wasn't really prepared. I didn't have quarters in my pocket. There was you have like a typical repeat customer who always brings dollars, and this whole week I'm like, no change. So I didn't have the quarters on me. So in business, you gotta know your customers, be prepared. So I wasn't exchanging quarters when they gave me dollars. I wasn't prepared to give no quarters. So I would say the week of the 11th, no, we have no quarters. And then I also, we had a half day. What else? And that's pretty much it. So it was low. It was kind of a quiet week. The machine, yeah, they don't really use it during the class period. It's always, I'm trying to get in the habit of like before class starts, at the end of class, but it's really not a distraction. It's not that bad. I think things are running smoothly. It hasn't been jammed, so which is great. I haven't unjammed the machine. So let me just write that down. No jam. I did find two nickels in the machine this past week, but I guess, which was good, nothing got jammed. And then this past week, they were learning, let me just get back to my notes, was all about formatting, format cells, and then basic like auto sum. So it's very basic features in Excel. So what we're going to do now, we're going to highlight the weeks we're not going to be here. So most likely we'll have probably $0 in sales. Then we're not. Midwinter recess is the 19th. And then we have spring break, which is the last week in March. Perfect. So we'll probably see 0 sales, or maybe very like $1, less than $1, let's say, with those weeks. So I asked the students to do that, and then they're just going to practice, they can bold it, change the borders. They can do like a fill color with a font color. They can make it larger, different font styles. So it's all about formatting this week, making it look appealing. I like having the shaded cells for the weeks off. And that's pretty much it. So profit, we're going to get the picture next week. And then what else? There was something else. Oh, we learned how to do the long date. So what we're going to do on the spreadsheet is select these cells, and then you're going to go up here and we're going to put long date. And then we're going to extend this. So you can see these are the weeks every Monday. So that's what they learned. So we got long date. We got our total sales. And that's pretty much it. So it was all about formatting it. They can outside borders, fill the cells, font color, font styles, a little bit of the orientation, merge cells, and that's it. So next week we're going to get into more of the formulas, and then we'll see how we do with the sales. We have another half day on the 22nd, and then we won't be here for the holidays, so you can plug in like 0, let's say, or maybe the custodians use it, and it could be like 75 cents, something very and then we also learned how to just kind of fill. So if they just do autofill, $30, you could play around with the sheet, right click, clear contents. So it's all basic right now, and I just wanted to format it, and we can just make it a little larger. And again, if your font number's not there, you can type 23. And that's pretty much it. So lessons learned, we haven't really learned. Oh, just actually know your customers as far as, not having the quarters. There's this one particular class. I knew I saw them like twice this week. One particular student, she always comes with dollars. She's consistently asking me, I need quarters. She comes over like $2. She wants her 8 quarters. And this past week, I just had no quarters. I just was lazy. I didn't want to go in the machine to get the quarters out. It was one of those, no, I don't have it. I don't have it. Didn't have it in my pocket. So again, know your customers. If you're really trying to sell, be prepared. I'm not trying to sell. It's just for fun, and obviously just to teach students about assets, what a liability is, what an asset is, and how important it is to keep track of your sales and using Microsoft Excel, learning how to use Microsoft Excel to do that. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoy this video. Again, this spreadsheet, we're going to save it and we're going to put it up on thecoolclassroom.com. Make sure you join our free mailing list. And then the code is Nike. So you can click under lesson plans and you'll see all of our files, resumes, business plans, cover letters, everything we do. It's all free for students. So log in, join the mailing list, and access those files. All right. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.